Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a delicious culinary journey through North America. Get ready to explore 5 traditional foods and their authentic recipes that have been passed down for generations. Let's dive in. First up, we have the classic American dish, the hamburger. Made with a juicy beef patty, crispy lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and topped with melted cheese, this mouth-watering creation is a staple at backyard barbecues and diners across the country. Moving north to Canada, we find poutine. This indulgent dish features crispy French fries smothered in rich gravy and topped with squeaky cheese curds. The combination of textures and flavors is a true comfort food delight that you won't be able to resist. Traveling south to Mexico, we discover the vibrant flavors of tacos al pastor. Marinated in a blend of spices and pineapple, thin slices of pork are grilled to perfection and served on soft corn tortillas. Top with freshly chopped onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime, and you've got yourself a taste of Mexico right at home. Making our way to the Caribbean, we encounter jerk chicken. This spicy and smoky delight is marinated in a mixture of Scotch bonnet peppers, spices, and herbs and then grilled to perfection. The resulting tender and flavorful meat is a true celebration of Jamaican cuisine. Finally, let's head west to the indigenous communities of North America and savor the flavors of fry bread. This simple yet delicious dish is made from a dough consisting of flour, water, and salt. In many Native American tribes, fry bread holds cultural significance and is often enjoyed with savory toppings or as a sweet treat with honey or powdered sugar. We hope you enjoyed this mouth-watering journey through North American cultural cuisine. Try these recipes at home and bring a taste of tradition to your table. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures around the world.